You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say this name if you're looking on how to say the full name of the football player from the NFL? Make sure to stay tuned, and more from the NFL. Stay tuned to Devon. Yes, the Von. Some may say it a bit more as Devon, but it's essentially a schwa sound at the beginning. Stress on the second syllable. Devon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.